Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about TikTok tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you on how to find hidden TikTok posts without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is open up your TikTok app. So I'm going to open my TikTok app right here. And the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on your profile icon. One of the first easy way to find an hidden TikTok post is to go ahead and click on this padlock icon right here. Then you find all hidden content, post or video right here. Alternatively, you can come to the top right here, click on this three slider. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Activity Center. Then scroll down right here and then go ahead and click on Manage Post Activity Visibility. Then you slide to Only You right here. Then you find all hidden or private video in these sections right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.